The world of AI is getting crazier day by day. Friends, do you feel the same way? Well, here's why. CapCut just released a fantastic new AI tool called Dreamina. Yes, you heard right. Our favorite video editor has just launched an incredible AI image generator that is truly amazing. Dreamina AI is free to use every day and offers excellent image quality. In this video, we will review its features and discover how powerful this AI tool is for creating images. So, let's get started. Open Google and type Dreamina AI. Click on the first website that appears, leading to the Dreamina AI homepage. On the homepage, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner. On the Sign In page, check the box for signing up. After checking the box, click on the Sign In button. Choose the Continue with Google option and proceed. Enter your birth date, write a year, month, and day, then press Continue. Then click OK. After signing in, provide the required basic information to complete the setup. In front of you is the homepage of Dreamina. Click Explore to view trending images, as well as images categorized by themes like anime, portrait, and landscape, among others. Now let's talk about its main feature, which is the text-to-image generator. You can click on text-to-image from the sidebar, or you can click on text-to-image on the main page. After clicking, the timeline will be displayed in front of you. On the top left side, you will see a text box. Type your prompt, the type of image you want to create in it, and select model. I'm selecting New Model 1.4. Adjust the quality to your preference. Select the image ratio and click on Generate. Wait for the image to be generated. Once it's ready, you can view the result. Now, let's write another new prompt. And click Generate. Let's wait for the result and see what comes up. Click on the image and view all the generated images. And on the right side, you'll see an option to create a video from the image. However, this feature is currently in beta. So the next feature is Edit on Canvas. Now, click on it. This is the Canvas timeline. We'll discuss all its features one by one. The first feature is Inpaint. Click on it. The first tool is the brush. Use it to paint over the part of the image you want to change. Type a prompt for the part you want to change, or simply click Inpaint to apply the changes. You can see that it has generated 4 different images. Select the one that you think looks best. The next tool is Quick Selection. After clicking it, the tool will automatically and quickly select parts of the image. Select the part of the image you want to change, then write a prompt. I will select the flowers, then type the prompt Luxury Sofa Set. Then click Inpaint and wait for the result. Amazing, that's a great result. It has generated 4 different images. Let's choose the one that looks best. In addition, you can also regenerate or reprompt if you want to make further changes. If you're satisfied with the result and don't want to make any more changes, simply click on Done. If you want to make further changes, select the next part of the image and type a prompt. Then click Inpaint and wait for the result. After that, choose the image you like best, then click Done. The next tool is Expand. Click on it, then write the prompt, Add more sofa set. Then click Expand and wait for the result. You can see that the image has been expanded and it has provided 4 different expanded versions. Select the one that you think is best. However, in my case, I don't want to expand the image, so I will click Back. Now, the next tool is Remove. Click on it and paint over the object you want to remove. You can also adjust the brush size to make it smaller or larger. After painting, click Remove. Now you can see that the object has been successfully removed. Then click on Done. Now the next tool is truly amazing. It's called Retouch. Click on it and see the difference. You can see how beautifully the image has been retouched, and the image quality has significantly improved. I'll show you the difference between the two. There's a significant difference in the quality of the 2 images. Next is Upscale, which also enhances your image quality. After clicking it, see the result. The next tool is Background Remover. For this feature, let's import another image. Export this image here and then click on Download. Download is complete. Now, upload a new image and adjust it in the timeline. Then click Remove Background. Now, select the object you do not want to remove, and then click Remove Background. and wait for the result. After this, you'll see that the background has been removed quickly and smoothly. Now, go back to the home page. On the top left side, click on Reference, then add an image, and select Human Face and choose the ratio. Click Save. After that, type the prompt. A man plays table tennis with intense focus, his quick movements sending the ball darting across the table. The game is a fast blur of action and sound. Select New Model and choose the best quality. Then click Generate and wait for the image to be generated. After the image is ready, click on it to see the result. The results are much better. See all the images one by one? Write another prompt. A man playing chess game. Change the model, then click Generate again and wait for the new result. Then click on each image to see the results one by one. If the images aren't satisfactory with this model, change to a new model and click Generate again. Wait for the image to be generated. The image has been generated. Then click on each image to see the results one by one. And this time the quality is much better. You can click on the Download button to save the image. Then go back to the home page, and let's discuss another feature. Click on Reference Image again and add an image. After uploading the image, click on the Depth button and then press Save. Now, write the prompt, a man playing guitar, change the model, and then click Generate. Wait for the images to be generated. After that, click on the image to see the result. All the image results are good. You can further enhance these images by upscaling or retouching them. Additionally, you can go to the canvas for more advanced editing. Overall, Dreamina AI is a great tool. That wraps up our overview of Dreamina AI, a truly impressive tool for creating stunning images with just a few clicks. From generating images with detailed prompts to enhancing them with features like upscaling, retouching, and background removal, Dreamina AI proves to be a versatile and powerful resource. Whether you're looking to create art, enhance photos, or experiment with AI, Dreamina AI has covered you. It's easy to use and delivers high-quality results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.